What's up, everybody?
What's going on, y'all?
Welcome back to
Mind Your
World. Today, we are reporting you how to make Umeshu. So, what is Umeshu?
So Umeshu is pretty much plum wine. It's very famous out here in Japan. People love it. Now is the season to be drinking Umeshu. Kind of started about a month ago, but now people are starting to make it.
Yeah.
And in today's episode, that's exactly what
we are doing.
So Judy, you want to break down what we have in front of us?
Okay, right now we have this bin. If you're living in Japan, you can get it at Daiso, 100 yen shop. Next one is plum. We got it about 1.5 kilogram. This is gonna be the main character for Umeshu.
This is the actual ume. Ume is the plum. So we have these small plums. I feel like plums back home are a bit bigger, but still pretty cool. So we actually have two kinds of ume. We have one that was actually bought at a store. Then we had another one that was actually shipped to us. We ordered online, but they come from a ume farm.
Yeah, in Wakayama Prefecture.
Looks like it's pretty ready. And then here is the store-bought one. You know, still in the beginning stages, but getting there. So we have these two.
And the next one, we have this white liquor. So we're gonna pour it at the very end. And then the last one is this sugar. So we're gonna
a
lot of sugar. So we're gonna add later too.
So let's start teaching you how to make umeshu. So, what are the first steps?
First step is to put ume at the bottom. Gentle.
Okay. This is taking too long. We just jump it all in there.
Okay, that's about it, I guess.
That's it?
Yeah.
One more for good luck.
Okay, so next step is to put this sugar.
How much sugar are we putting?
Just to make a layer. Just one layer. Try not to use everything. Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah.
And so
And
more?
then ume.
Okay, how about your turn, Miss Gentle? So actually, how many kilos of ume? I think we have 2 kilos. I think so, because when we bought the one at the store, it was a kilo of plums. And when we ordered it, it was also another kilo of plums, so 2 kilos. And for those that don't use the metric system, so 1 kilo is roughly about 2 pounds.
I don't know.
Roughly. We have like almost 2 kilos, about 4.5 pounds of plums. Alright, so just a bit more sugar. You are my candy girl. So we're just gonna fill this bad boy up with plums until we can't fill it anymore. So what does umeshu go good with?
You can drink it on the rocks, but you can also mix it with soda. Today we are making it, right? And then it's gonna take about 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah, at least to be drinkable. And then if you want to like make it better, you have to wait for about 1 year.
Right, so not just better, but stronger. So a good friend of ours, him and his wife made umeshu, and they actually had it sitting for like 5 or 6 years. And that's pretty much where this idea came from. Is that it for the sugar?
Nope.
Okay.
We still have a little bit more. Yaba, can you fit? 違いますか?
Well, that's it for the green ones. Are we filling it to the top? I think we can.
Yeah, but
just enough. I did eat 2 of them earlier, so those 2 that I ate. So we have now filled the top with umeshu. Now comes the fun part. How much sugar was this, by the way?
500 grams of sugar. 500 grams is average amount, and then if you want to make it sweeter, you have to add probably 800 grams.
I guess we just kind of pour it up.
Yep.
Pour it up, pour it up.
Put up, put up.
Hold on, I gotta do this. We got a lot of splash effects. Smells heavenly though.
Wow.
Right up to the brim. Woo! Gotta make sure every last drop gets in there. 1.8 liters of this season of the fruit liqueur. 2 kilos of plums. 500 grams of sugar. We have to keep it in a dark place. Every other night, we have to kind of shake the bottle just to make sure that, you know, nothing's forming in there. We don't want any mold forming, but we just have to shake it and just keep it fresh and keep it moving. I don't know, how long are we gonna wait to drink this?
3 months at least.
3 months?
Yeah.
3 months.
3 months at least. I want to be patient to enjoy the umeshu.
Okay.
This is our child, so we will name it.
Yeah. Uchan.
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 Iyo.
We're gonna put this in a dark place. Sorry, Uchan. We have to kind of put you to the side.
Yeah.
But this is the one time that we put baby in the corner. So, and we're gonna see it next year. And then we'll make another vlog at that point in time.
One thing about liquor, this time we use white liquor, which is like average liquor for umeshu. But also, if you want to like make it differently, you can also use whiskey. Or like Japanese sake.
Okay.
So yeah, like if you are adventurous, then please go for it.
So this week's word of the week is subarashi. Alright, one more time for you. Subarashi. Okay, so this is just a great phrase. You know, if you witness something that's great, you want to respond to something, you can say
Subarashi.
Subarashi. Yeah, that's just, you know, a little Japanese nuance into it.
Yeah.
But yeah, or you can say sugoi. Sugoi ne.
Or
Suge. Suge. Just some variations of the same word that you can say. Alright? But thank you for tuning in to another episode.
Thank you so much.
Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Stay tuned in for another episode coming to a screen near you. We're your most illustrious hosts. Until next time, sayonara.